Good morning. My name is Clarence Anthony. I'm the CEO and Executive Director of the National League of Cities. I know that you're on the front lines working to ensure that you're able to lead during this difficult time. So this morning, I want to talk to you about an issue that you've been seeing all over the news. With over 425,000 cases and 13,000 deaths, the coronavirus pandemic continues to impact every state and every community across America. Early data has shown that the pandemic is disproportionately affecting people of color, more specifically African Americans. Last week, Michigan, Illinois, Wisconsin, Louisiana, and Washington, D.C. reported that a disproportionate number of African American residents are being infected and dying due to the virus. This data is important not only for large cities, but also small and rural communities across the country, because it matters not the size. It is important that this type of data is collected because it will help identify the areas that need the most assistance now, but it'll also be critical to the recovery once the pandemic subsides. Chicago and Milwaukee are two cities that have shown the importance of getting the data disaggregated by race. They're taking action by targeting resources and increasing testing for communities of color. Collecting this type of data will not only create trust through transparency, but it will also provide the necessary tools that will allow you to determine how to allocate resources that will create solutions to address long-standing systemic racial issues that directly impact healthcare, safe and secure housing, and employment. The bottom line, I want to challenge you to demand that your state collects this disaggregated data by race. I also want to remind you that the National League of Cities will continue to remain by your side, supporting you every step of the way as you lead through this crisis. Over the coming weeks, our Race, Equity, and Leadership Department, REAL, as well as our Health and Wellness team, will provide a number of resources to help cities better understand these patterns and the emerging issues that are facing cities. I look forward to sharing these with you. I thank you, and please be safe.